Hello everyone, it's me Sahil and welcome you all to my channel. Previously I have painted Taj Mahal, which is one of the greatest monument in the world. If you haven't painted that painting yet, I will give its link in the description. Today I have painted one such monument, that is Eiffel Tower. This is done using acrylic colors on 12 by 16 inch canvas. So hope you like the video and let's get started. So first of all, I'm using light blue, cerulean blue and ultramarine blue and a 50 mm flat brush. I have directly poured the colors on the canvas and mixing this using the big brush. Now I'm using Filbert brush number 8 with white and very less deep brill purple. The deep brill purple will give somewhat pinkish or purplish shade to the clouds. Now I'm using stencil brush number 8 and 10. You can either use cotton balls for it. So I have drawn the Eiffel Tower on a normal drawing sheet. So we tend to make mistakes when we draw directly on the canvas. So first I'm drawing, I'll always draw it on a paper and then trace it out for the accuracy and no mistakes. Now I'm using flat brush number 1 and Van Dyke brown and black. And now I'm painting the dark portions of the Eiffel Tower first, and then we will give the highlights using light color. So we can see that the clouds have turned out very much beautiful. Now I have shifted to a rigger 2/0 or round brush number 00, and I'm using the same Van Dyke brown and black. I've just changed the brush, so because we have to do fine details as we go up to the Eiffel Tower. So now I'm using white color, flesh tint yellow ochre and crimson color and the same fine brush, and I'm using a scale to give the highlights to the Eiffel Tower. Now I am painting the finer details of the Eiffel Tower using the finest brush, it is 000 number brush. So the half side of the Eiffel Tower is having shadow on it, so what we are going to do, we are going to add burnt sienna and lots of water into it and give it a wash of burnt sienna and water and wipe up the excess using tissues. So a black border is given to the light skin color portions of the Eiffel Tower. I have used Van Dyke brown and black for the branches, and I'm using stencil brush to paint the cherry blossom. So white, deep brill and a permanent rose color is used for the cherry blossom. So you saw how easy it was to paint the Eiffel Tower. So if you have liked the video, do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if not subscribed it yet. Until then, bye.